Forgot we're recording. Recording?
We're
Go
recording.
live. We are live, baby. live.
Wait, do we have that
We
preamble?
can't start that like, where is Toby business?
No,
because Toby's never
preamble.
around. Let's go.
Mangoes.
AI giants. The past month, I'm telling you, I had dinner with someone the other day. I was talking to them about what's happened in the past couple of weeks in tech.
Yep.
They thought I was living in a parallel universe to them.
Yeah, and I woke up this morning and checked all the stocks were green.
They are all green,
They're
up
all
and to the
green.
right.
Yeah.
So the AI giants racing to Wall Street. That's what's been happening over the past couple of months. I can't even figure out what time zone we're in right now. There are 3 blockbuster IPOs and one has launched. Which one was it?
The only thing that launches these days is rockets.
Rockets. SpaceX hit the markets 2 days ago, June 11th. It has been a massive couple of days. What have we got? It was a record IPO.
Yeah,
They raised
2.5?
They're currently $2.5 trillion, the 6th largest company in the world after 2 days. They raised $75 billion. Their founder, Elon Musk, if you've heard of him, is a trillionaire, the first ever trillionaire. Remember when there was the first billionaire or the first $1 trillion company?
Do you know what I read this morning?
I think we were doing our vlog.
Well,
when,
the first
$1 trillion company, when Apple became a $1 trillion company. Now we've got a $1 trillion founder.
But he's actually more than $1 trillion. He's 20% up today.
It's unbelievable.
1.2 trillion.
First 2 days, SpaceX up 20% again. Following short on their footsteps is going to be Anthropic filed for IPO over the past couple of weeks.
I'm hearing good things.
OpenAI, which produces ChatGPT, also filed. 3 massive AI companies, all hitting the markets.
Yeah, I'm a little like, I'm not a huge Sam Altman fan. You can go back in time and can read all about that. I talk about it almost every time we're on the vlog, but I'm surprised that Sam's still in the seat.
Yep.
I thought Elon would have ripped him out already.
Yeah. Well, you never. The year's not over yet. The year's not over.
Sure.
So with all these AI companies hitting the markets, the acronym FAANG, which has predominantly been Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, has started to shift.
FAANG.
And then it's fanged out of here. And mangoes have arrived.
I like mangoes.
Meta, Anthropic, Nvidia, Google, OpenAI, and SpaceX. So mangoes is pretty good.
I like mangoes. Actually, mango is my favorite fruit.
I mean, we could talk about this forever. We could talk about Telstra's share price tanking yesterday because Starlink is potentially going to eat its lunch and go direct to consumers. There's lots we can talk about with SpaceX and their IPO, but we're going to come a bit local because we know much of our audience is local with some global entrepreneurs.
That's not true. I'm
true?
getting calls from Silicon Valley, and I'm also getting some calls from Los Angeles.
Oh, that's good.
In fact, I just had
Our vlogs are on
lunch
global.
with Rachel from Salesforce. Shout out to Rachel from Salesforce.
Okay.
She's like, Tobes, I love the vlog.
Amazing. So coming back down to earth, the local scene. So Ordermentum.
I like what you did there.
You like that?
The rocket landing.
Yeah, you like that?
In the chopsticks.
It's all about rockets.
Yeah.
Payment and ordering platform Ordermentum raised $55 million from 5V.
Yeah.
So 5V do both early stage and growth stage. Last month we mentioned Zip, your friends at Zip. They lost their trademark dispute. They've now settled and they will continue to trade as Zip in Australia. I bet you didn't know that. That's some new information.
I didn't get the call on that, Larry.
No. The pioneering ag tech startup GoTerra has filed for voluntary administration.
It's not uncommon.
Which is, we always talk about how startups are difficult and they can't all succeed, but they were very much the pioneers in ag tech and waste processing operations. Labor's CGT challenges still hitting the headlines. Canva co-founders are involved, giving their views. Who else? What's the name? Atlassian co-founders, Creative Cube co-founders. Everybody's giving their opinions, so time will tell.
So this is what baffles me, and like I don't want to get political on it.
Don't.
But let's move on.
Okay. So new money, Advanced VC. Do you know Max Korsman?
No.
So Max has hit his $15 million target less than a year after fundraising. So he's building Australia's first funds of fund VC fund for secondaries.
Cool. Oh,
it's a bit complex. Sounds a bit complex.
No, I like that.
But essentially, he's buying stakes in funds and direct companies to give people exposure to them as a secondary.
Is this a CGT? Because I read a big article over the weekend.
Okay.
I can't remember who posted it around secondaries becoming actually quite an attractive market proposition to avoid CGT.
Oh, really? No. Yeah. That sounds like a tax question.
I'm
not across that.
I'm not in the spreadsheet.
Superannuation giant Hester has backed Synthesis Capital, a new fund manager with a new $70 million venture capital fund to hunt medical tech stars.
Interesting. I pulled my money out of Hester about 2.5 years ago.
Self-managed super fund now.
Self-managed.
All right.
So I don't know where they got their 70 million from. I'm just kidding.
Nah, stop it. All right. SEO. SEO's been SEO's been around for decades. In fact, one of my first roles was building an SEO company in Asia Pacific. Google search 3 weeks ago announced that search has changed forever. They are changing their simple box. You know, in the early days of Google, they would have like committees after committees if they wanted to change one pixel on Google.com. Well, the AI wave is taking over them as well, not just the markets, and they are changing their landing page on Google.com to be AI native. Upload your images, upload documents, start your search that way.
That's exactly right, Gav. For me, I actually have made a solid living, believe it or not, through SEO. Oh. I am a SEO expert. I'm being dead serious with you.
Stop it.
This is a legit
growth hack. Tuning in.
This is legit growth hack. And so I have spent the better part of the last 30 days re-angling a few things so that we pop in AI EO.
Okay. Yes.
And it's working.
Amazing.
It's
working. The vlog will start appearing on ChatGPT, Claude, wherever you use your AI tools, we will be there.
Did you know that we put the pod, I know you know, but did you know that we put the vlog on Spotify, on YouTube?
We are on Spotify, we're on YouTube,
Apple Podcasts.
We are wherever you watch your vlogs, we are there.
And the feedback has been phenomenal.
Amazing.
All
right, you've heard about AI, SpaceX, Toby's self-managed super fund. We're done for today. Thanks for tuning in. See you next month.